Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new. We're just jumping right into the video. I forgot to film an intro for this, and I forgot to film an outro too, but we are doing a look with the Warrior 2 palette. So I am going to go in first with the shade Dora. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a beautiful pinky, like orangey kind of shade, and we're going to lay that down in the transition area first. I really take my time with the blend on this shade, and I do apologize. I think that I had some residual powder from a 𝘉𝘺𝘴𝘕 cosmetic shadow, which is why you're seeing a little bit of an iridescence, I think, to the crease. It normally wouldn't look like that. I just was lazy and didn't clean my brush. After we finish with that shade, we're going to go into the shade 𝘉𝘠𝘴, which is a deeper, like burgundy kind of shadow, and we're going to tuck that into the outer crease or the outer lid, and then tuck it into the crease, kind of covering up the iridescence that we had, but just to deepen out the look as a whole. And I really think that shade is so beautiful. It really pairs well with the first shade that we used. After we finish with that shade, we are going to go in with the first brush that we used, but we did not pick up any product. We're just going to go and blend out the edge of 𝘉𝘠𝘴. I like to blend out my crease work. I kind of use every single brush in the same manner, almost in the opposite way that I applied the shadows, just so I can get a great blend. After that, I'm going to take the deepest, like cool toned brown shade, 𝘉𝘂𝑛𝑦, and I am going to fluff that into this almost the same portion of the eye, just a little bit lower in the outer corner. Again, we're going to be taking some of the previous brushes that we were using and just continue to blend out everything that we've done at this point. Then, if you're familiar, I always like to blend out my crease work with a shade that's more similar to my eye or my skin color. So I'm going to mix the shades 𝘂𝘚 and 𝑒𝑚, and we're going to create a shade a little bit closer to my skin tone just to blend the very outer portion of the crease, so the what's closest to the brow bone. After that, we're going to go with 𝑒𝑚 and put that all over the lid. Since this is an all matte palette, we are creating an all matte eyeshadow look today. I think that this would also look absolutely beautiful with a shimmer on the lid. Don't be afraid to dip into something else if you have it, to play with a color, maybe a different colored lid. Maybe you still want a nude lid, but you have something shimmery. Definitely think that this would be a really great look for it, but I think a matte look also is absolutely beautiful. After that is done, we're actually going to go and switch our focus to the lower lash line. And for that, I'm going to use the very center shade in the palette. It's a brighter orange, but it's called 𝘉𝘂𝑚. It is absolutely beautiful, and we are going to tuck that and fluff that into the lower lash line. So after all that, we are going to put the accoutrement of the eye look together. That is waterline, mascara, anything like that. If I was going to do a wing liner on the top lash line, that would get on there as well. So we are just putting some finishing touches onto this for the final look. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I hope you guys are staying healthy, sane, and safe. And until the next video, I'll catch you later. Bye.